And cleanup continues after those powerful winds caused some serious damage when they tore through Floyd and Pike counties in Kentucky earlier today.
Yeah, our Bob Aaron explains even FEMA couldn't dodge this destructive weather.
The roof of the gym at the Floyd County Schools office complex was hanging from the side of the structure that's also the headquarters for school maintenance and a FEMA disaster center serving victims of recent flooding. Maintenance workers knew something was wrong when downed trees littered the area.
But upon further inspection, they went in and found that the area FEMA was located in, the doors had blown out and the windows around the area had blown out. And they walked on into the gym at that point and saw where a portion of the roof had come off, a large portion.
Eastern Kentucky and southern West Virginia were hard hit by flooding in mid-February, and even FEMA felt the impact of this storm. FEMA was working outdoors after the severe weather eased on Monday. The path of the storm is evident between the gym and a nearby residential neighborhood.
It sounded like a freight train was coming right through the backyard, just a big whoosh of wind. The trailer started shaking a little bit, and we kind of rode it out.
Cleanup continues in Eastern at what was the old Allen Central High gym and at other locations hit by the storms. In Floyd County, Bob Aaron, Eyewitness News.
Bob, thank you. And the National Weather Service is trying to determine if straight line winds or a tornado caused that damage.